bus natin, guys. We're here na sa floating market! Yay! Medyo kinakabahan ng konti. Oh my gosh! Ang intense dito, guys! We're here na sa Myclong, guys. Murag na artista pa doon, guys. That's it, everyone! We are like in a time machine. Daisyo kailangan ko. And yung review ko for that tour is, hey besties, good morning. So right now is pupunta tayo sa floating market at sa Myclong Railway. And by the way guys, we booked this through Klook kasi ano siya, we got this for only 950 something per head. Tapos ano kasi parang complicated kasi going to Damyon sa Duwak floating market. So we opted na lang mag-book ng Klook kasi sobrang ano siya guys, parang very complicated siya. I guess walang ano DIY. I don't know. Siguro meron pero ano for me kasi medyo complicated siya. So ayan, we opted na lang mag-book sa Klook. And kasi mas less din siya or mas cheaper, tapos marami kaming pupuntahan. And we are here currently at Central Plaza 9 and ayan yung mga kasama ko guys. Ayan, so they gave us a sticker lang. And by the way, yung breakfast ko lang or mini breakfast is yung coffee tsaka yung parang sandwich lang. Yan lang yung ano ko, kinakain ko. And currently it's 7:35 AM and we are waiting na lang na pupunta na sa mismong tour na talaga or mag-start yung tour. This is really like the very guys, parang very early talaga na call time namin for itinerary or yung start talaga ng day namin since kasi siya, join-in tour, kaya ayan, we really need to be early. We've been here for more or less mga 20 minutes early para hindi tayo maiwan ng bus. We are waiting na lang for further instructions. See you guys later! By the way, besties, ayan, bumili pala kami ng parang orange Americano. I don't know if anong lasa nito, pero we will see. And bumili lang din ako ng parang sandwich, something siya. Ito lang yan namin binili dyan sa Cafe Cado. So, dyan na lang kami bumili ng para sa snacks namin going there kasi I guess mga more than an hour din yung biyahe namin going to the floating market. Hey besties, ayan, mag-start na yung tour natin and yung sasakyan natin is a bus. Yay! Ano siya? Tour bus from Klook. Yay! Para comfy tayo. Ito yung bus natin guys. Hey! Ayan. Let's go! Hey besties, ayan, nasa bus na kami and they gave us free water. And guys, yung orange Americano guys, ewan ko, trending daw ito pero ewan ko, parang umiinom ako ng freshener.
Hindi kasi ang sama ng lasa.
Ayan orange Americano. Parang freshener guys, as in, yung sa taxi bitaw, yan yung parang nalalasahan ko. I don't know if gusto nyo inom ng freshener, yan yung bibilhin nyo, orange Americano. Hashtag Shell must try, hindi hashtag Shell likes. Yeah, see you later. Hey besties, eto, bumili kami ng parang sandwich lang dyan sa Central Plaza.
นะครับเทรนเราgo back Bangkok anymore all made from gold but after we lost the war with Myanmar they find all gold go back Myanmar we poor now until now very poorนะครับ
Hey besties, ayan, nag-stop over muna kami dito for CR break. Siguro mga 1 hour pa yung biyahe. Another 1 hour yata. Not sure ito. Yung nabili namin kanina also. Let's eat. Ano to? Parang meat and veggie salad. That's it, everyone. Sawadee ka!
ขอบคุณมากครับแมนครับ gentleman shut up สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
yes สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
yes next นะครับ thank you 谢谢你 thank you 谢谢你ขอบคุ
good.
ครับ
Hey besties, ayan, we're here na sa floating market! Yay! We're here! Ta-da! Let's go! Ayan, we're here na guys! Let's go! Medyo kinakabahan ng konti. First ever floating market experience! Oh my God! Uy, 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 uy! Oh my gosh! Ang intense dito guys! Guys, tingnan nyo. May dadaan.
Okay?
Yo.
โอเคไหมคะแคนช้อปปิ้งนะคะ โอเค
Yan guys. So yan yung mga pwede nyong bilhin. Ano siya, parang mga souvenir shop. Ayan. Meron din dito. Thank you.
Good crab.
Yay! Coconut ice cream. Yay! Ayan, ice cream. We have coconut ice cream, guys. For 80 baht. Nami.
Makawan mo sila lang dito.
Oo. Naman siya yung mga coconut yun. Hey besties, I think we are done na with our kwan. Most of the stores here pala is closed kasi it's not weekend. Parang mas bongga if weekend talaga kayo pupunta dito. Pero yung ano lang talaga disadvantage is maraming tao. Yan, bababa na kami. Thank you for the experience. Hey besties, ayan, we are done na sa floating market and right now nasa loob na kami ng bus kasi sobrang init doon. So dito na lang kami mag-chill while waiting for the others. And then yung nakain lang namin is yung
Ice cream.
coconut ice cream. So medyo mahal siya compare siguro sa Mekong Railway kasi sabi doon parang 25 baht lang. Then yung nabili namin is 80 baht. Pero for the experience, sige go lang. And then bumili kami ng picture kasi wala lang for souvenir something. Ayan. Bumili lang kami. This is for only 100 baht. So may kasama na siya parang frame na wood-ish. Ayan. Off to the next. See you later. Baka sa Maiklong pala kami next pupunta. Mekong Railway. I don't know how to pronounce it guys. Sorry. So yan. Sa Mekong or Maiklong. I don't know. So yan na yung next natin na pupuntahan. So see you there. Hey besties. Nandito na tayo sa station. And it's currently 10:59. And darating daw yung train or dadaan yung train mo 11:10 daw. Guys, grabe ang init! We're here na sa Maiklong guys. In fairness guys, yung tour guide namin is ano siya, parang mabilis yung kilos niya for pictures, no? Yay! Very, very ano siya, plus points talaga as in. So, again guys, na-book namin to sa Klook and if you are interested, I'll just put the link on the description box below para ma-try nyo din. So, ayan. We're waiting na lang for the train to arrive. Pero medyo init guys. Current situation. Look! Ayan. Ayan guys. Tinitiklop. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Kasi dadaan na yung train. Current situation guys. We're here. We're so... Ayan. Murag na artista pa doon guys. Zombie! May panisakay na lang tayo tala, bebe! dyan lang kayo. Step up na mo. Nindot na gid yo. Wala, nahuot na.
Oh, parang ni.
Puy-puya sa kamatay. Hey besties, ayan, dumaan na ang train and right now we have like 30 minutes to explore here. Kasi it's currently 11:11. Wala, 11:11. Sana matupad natin lahat ng wish natin and prayers. Babalik kami sa meeting point at 11:50 daw. We have 30 minutes or more yata. You can buy souvenirs here.
This one? This one?
Yeah, 100.
Hey besties, ayan yung parang schedule ng train of Chancellor League. Ayan. Dito lang kami sa parang somewhere along the Maiklong Railway. Ayan, bumili kami ng watermelon smoothie kasi guys, sobrang init. To freshen up lang something. Ang cute oh! Tingnan nyo. Cute. Cutie. Cheers! After this one guys, siguro pupunta kami sa parang cafe yata siya. Ang Pawag Cafe kasi I guess doon kami mag-lunch kasi yung tour guide namin is na-provide ng parang menu, something cafe na yun and I guess yan yung parang lunch namin. So by the way, hindi siya free yung lunch ha. Hindi siya free yung lunch. But anyway, siguro medyo pricey ng konti kasi yung pad thai nila is 195. We will see. Kasi I guess cafe talaga yung pupunta namin. Fun fact pala guys is sa Thailand is siya parang legal yung cannabis nila. Ayan o, tingnan niyo. Meron silang parang ganyan o. Ano saan gamis?
Gani.
Oh. Then may cookies sila guys. So, legal sa kanila dito yung cannabis. Hey besties, ayan, it's currently 11:28 and 11:30 daw aalis ulit yung train and perfect yung pwesto. Ayan, parang nandito lang kami sa labas ng parang restaurant, Thai restaurant. Ayan. Meron siyang ali, oh. Ayan. So, dito dadaan ang train. Ayan. Ayan guys, tinitiklop na naman nila. Ayan. Train is here! Hey besties, ayan, we are here again sa bus. Tapos na yung Maiklong tour namin. Yung yung parang train is same siya sa train doon sa Jufen Old Street, no? Tapos, wala lang. Parang maraming ignorante dito guys, joke.
Jufen? Shifen?
Jufen,
Shifen.
Oh, Jufen, Shifen, basta yung sa Taiwan. And then, medyo nabudol kami guys. Ayan.
Siya lang.
Yung for pasalubong something kasi siya, mas less talaga siya dito compare sa Bangkok talaga. And right now we are so gutom na. I guess for lunch na after this one. So yan, see you later. Hey besties, ayan, nandito kami quick stop. Parang temple something to siya kasi kasali siya sa aming itinerary. Hindi pa pala kami mag-lunch. Guys, actually you have the options na hindi bababa doon sa parang bus. Pero kami, we opted na lang na bababa din. Kasi, sayang din if hindi kami mag-join dito. Ayan.
photo with the temple.
Ayan. Ito yung parang temple something.
Baby goat, woman goat, Buddha, king, Taksin cheese, elephant king. Inside cannot wear shoe. Inside cannot photo. Outside only can.
Sobrang init, guys. Tingnan niyo, guys. Parang may temple dyan sa loob. Ayan.
Dia gutom.
Diyan. Pwede din mo na din eh.
Dia gutom. Buwan ang pangalan ko.
Ayan guys, parang may temple something dyan sa loob. I guess na dito ang entrance. Ayan. Ano sa pangalan nga temple? Ayan guys, oh, sa loob ng temple. Ito yung makikita nyo din guys, oh. May elephant, may horse. Ayan. Actually, I don't know the name talaga dito sa temple na ito. Ayan. This is just included or kasali sa aming tour. Ayan siya. Actually guys, hindi na kami pumasok dun sa parang temple sa loob ng kahoy. Ayan, meron din parang Muay Thai, oh. Tribute for Muay Thai. Or I don't know. Ayan. Meron din, makikita nyo rin yan. So, pabalik na kami dun sa bus kasi sobrang init na. Let's go! Yan lang yung pinunta namin dito. And you have the option naman na pupunta dun sa, or musulod bitaw sa temple bitaw. 1 hour, nagka-loading. Musulod sa temple sa loob ng, parang nasa 3. Ayan, nasa bus na ulit tayo. Kalamhin sa aircon. Gutom na kayo guys. I'm so excited for lunch. Let's go. Up to the next. Hey besties, ayan. We are now here at somewhere in the unseen Thailand. Unseen Thailand, Charlotte. Ayan guys. Look! Kuya. Ayan. Ganun gahi mo na.
Nagahigod. Ayan, mga green. Marshes.
Ayan guys, we're here somewhere lang. Parang ito na yung cafe. Ayan guys, take off muna natin yung shoes natin. So we're here na sa parang cafe nila. Ayan. So we will take our lunch here. Tingnan nyo yung chair nila guys. Ayan. So we will be sitting here lang. So we will be staying here siguro mga more than an hour. Dito kami mag-lunch. And yung in-order namin is pad thai at saka tom yum krung. Basta siya, parang soup siya. 195 baht each yata siya. We're waiting for our food here. Actually guys, ang ganda din ng tour na ito kasi we booked this for only 958 baht lang. I know, not baht, 958 pesos. Thank you! The tour guide gave me flower. So cute! Ang ngayon ra. Actually guys, ang ganda din ng tour nito kasi we've got this for less than 1,000. I guess mga around 958 pesos lang. And you've got to experience na the Mekong Trail Market at saka yung floating market. So actually mga more than 40 yata kami or less than 40 na tao. Join in tour. You can book this via Klook and I will just put in the description box below in case you are interested. Our food is here. Ay, picture daw muna kami. Ay. Ano?
1, 2.
Thank you.
One more this way. Sorry, not this way.
Okay. Picture muna kami guys.
Yes.
Ano ako?
Can.
Ato na daw ka.
Action! 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, one more.
One more.
Please.
1, 2, 3.
Yay. Thank you. Oh, excuse. We are done taking a picture. And then our tom yum soup is here. Ayan. Our tom yum soup is here. We're waiting for our pad thai. Let's eat! Try natin yung tom yum soup. Mm. Mm. Oh. More on herbs dun. Malalasahan mo yung herbs. Oh my gosh, guys. It's raining! Hello. Oh my gosh, may tugulo ng uwan sa kuon. Hey besties, ayan yung order namin, tom yum soup at saka yung pad thai. That's it everyone! Tingnan nyo yung shrimp nila guys. Oh, so yummy!
Okay, daw sa video, wala masakit yung pizza. Ingredients. Ang soup meron, sige daw dito.
Thank you, freebies.
Eat now. Nah.
Cheers.
One more.
It's okay. Thank you. So, free taste. For dessert, ayan, mga freebies. Hey, besties, ayan, done na kami kumain. And, ano pala siya, guys? Yung ito pala is Ampawa Floating Market. And, apparently, closed siya kasi, it will open only Saturday and Sunday. So, right now, pupunta daw kami sa Ampawa Cafe.
Here, abandoned here, 49 station, I mean everything have lah. That's why Amazon stay here, นะครับ Amazon don't eat a lot, you know.
Armageddon.
I don't know how to say a crocodile. If you want your right, abandon get ready to pay. I want my right, my healthy. The dreaming come true. If you like it, no. They eat Thai. Everything you
Chagro?
eat every day, 100 years ago, inside the museum air condition. Do you want to take a look?
Ayan guys, parang more cafe here. Or I don't know, baka
Not
ano pala,
cafe.
temple pala siguro.
Inside 有空调可以开着 Inside can picture, can do anything you want from memory. Here is the Queen
What's
Rama
this?
9, Mother of King Rama 10. Do this thing 100 years ago. นะครับ King Rama 2 used something like that.
Oh, that's one.
Ay, sorry,
Not
sorry.
king นะครับหมายถึงว่า the people doing King Rama.
Tingnan nyo guys, parang ano,
For the people.
museum. May typewriter pa dyan.
Roots.
Wow.
The lonely roots.
Oh my gosh.
What's it called?
Ah, wow. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ayan. We are like in a time machine. Arinola guys. Ayan. We're in a time machine. Wow. What if makakita ta sa pang kaparihag na ang diri? Ayan guys, oh. Parang we are somewhere down the road. Ayan. Ano sa mali lobby? Parang lobby nila dito guys. Hey besties, so update, we are still here at Ampawa Sri Cafe. By the way, kanina is nag-ano pala kami, yung parang bahay siya na vintage na mga gamit, no? Parang, as in, iba't
Museum,
ibang,
parang
o parang museum siya ng mga vintage na gamit. Nandun pa nga yung ano, parang karaan ng Coke. Karaan ng Coke. Basta meron din yung mga sabon o mga old things talaga doon mo makikita. Parang feeling namin is yung owner nun is collector siya. So right now, mag-chill daw muna kami dito sa parang cafe.
Smoke. Sana all, mag-vape.
Tingnan nyo guys. Old na piano. Ayan. Meron ding mga pa-flowers dito. I don't know if it's real. Real ni?
Nope.
Nope. Ayan. Ampawasri. Ayan o. I love the aircon. Ayan, we're here na inside the cafe. Ito guys, yung prices nila. Yung mga ice cream. Check namin kung o-order kami or hindi. So, ito yung mga prices nila guys. Medyo pricey. Ayan. Baka ice cream na lang.
Ada steamed vegetable.
Check namin kung ano yung kaya sa ating budget. Eto guys, baka ano lang yung bibilhin ko. Either iced caramel macchiato. Meron to sa Cebu for only 39 pesos. Doon macchiato din. Sige, kanan mo. Ayan.
Kita. Ito nga mas kao.
Yo guys, yung paano nila. Life is a book and there are 1,000 pages I have not yet read. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. O, diba? Bonga bells. And our view. Ayan. Nag-order kami ng iced caramel macchiato kasi kakagaling pa lang din namin mag-lunch. And it's currently 2:20 pa eh. So, ayan. Nag-order na lang kami para para dili, para ba, pay respect na lang. Pwede sana hindi na mag-order, pero baka hindi na nga ako order. Guys, I just realized na na pala, parang last overnight here in Thailand kasi by tomorrow, siguro mga before 10 dapat nasa airport na kami kasi yung flight namin is around 1 a.m. So, ayan. June 14, 1 a.m. Ayan. So, by tomorrow dapat at the evening dapat nasa airport na kami. Oh my gosh! Oh, really? Wala lang. Parang ngayon lang ako na reality check. Akala ko marami pa kaming oras ngayon, charot. Pero yun lang guys, we're waiting for our iced caramel macchiato. Okay besties, ayan, our iced caramel macchiato is here. Tingnan nyo, sobrang laki. Ayan siya, oh. Da, syarog dukaon. Syarog day matugod na sa bus. Tugya po. Hey besties, ayan, we are done na sa Ampawasri Cafe. Punta na kami na sa bus. Ayan, here's our bus. Ayan. And we are going back to Bangkok. Yoo-hoo! Hey besties, ayan, nandito na tayo sa bus. Papunta na tayo sa Bangkok. We are still waiting na lang for our mga kasabay dito. Hey besties, it's currently 6:02 p.m. and yan, tapos na tayo sa ating lahat-lahat na tour natin ngayon. So we are currently here at somewhere in Thailand. Nandito tayo sa McDonald's guys. And ayan, I have here my drinks, Coke. Daisyo kay lahang kuan diri guys. Ilahang sauce. More siya ganun sa siomai, something like, gimingaw ako sa siomai sa tisa. Ayan o. Then, meron tayong barbecue sauce, hot barbecue sauce. Then, bumili lang din kami ng nuggets. 4 pieces nuggets. Ayan. And of course, we have fries. Actually guys, yung nila dito, menu price. Actually guys, yung menu nila is parang same lang sa Philippines, no? Yung pinagkaiba lang is eto, yung sauce nila. And then, what else ba? Then meron silang parang lingin, bitaon sa ng lingin kali. Lingin nga fries. Ano sa na?
Curly.
Curly? Ha?
Curly fries.
Curry fries? Curry? Curly. Curly fries. Curly fries.
May lalit na burger lang.
Then burger nila is
Dahang gig choices.
sa burger nila is marami din choices guys. And then last 2019 guys, I remember yung kinain namin when I'm with my friends is meron siyang matcha ice cream pero for some reason hindi ko siya mahanap ngayon. Naade pila?
39?
39 pesos. Pero cup or cone?
Cup.
Wait, cone? Ay, cup? Sige, cup mo. Okay guys, bibili tayo ng matcha ice cream kasi meron daw, sabi ni John. So, bibili tayo kasi parang nag-crave ako ng matcha ice cream. 39 baht daw. Then, of course, I have here my rice with chicken. Ayan o. So, let's eat everyone. Ito na yung parang dinner namin kasi it's currently 6:04 p.m. And tingnan nyo sa labas guys, sobrang ano pa, hayag. Diba? Parang 5 p.m. pa sa atin, no? Ayan o. Sobrang ano pa talaga. Sobrang maliwanag pa talaga as in. And then, for my review doon sa Klook na tour natin guys is ano siya. I like it kasi ano siya, ay wala. Ay, sadly guys, walang matcha. I just here. Ayan o. Hey besties, ayan, I guess I will end my vlog na lang here. Thank you so much guys for watching. As in, wala na akong energy kasi sobrang init kanina. And then, yung review ko for that tour is actually okay siya. Kaso, ano siya, parang for some reason, yung cafe, yun, doon sa parang Amphawa Cafe or something like that, parang for me is okay na siya na kahit wala na yun. Kasi parang ano siya, extra expense kasi siya and sobrang mahal doon. For some reason, medyo mahal siya sa Amphawa Street Cafe. And then, for lunch naman, yung pad thai and then yung tom yum soup is, I guess, reasonable price naman siya. Siguro doon sa floating market is medyo ano siya, madalian lang kasi nga today is Wednesday, so close yung ibang store doon. So ayun lang. And then doon sa ano naman sa Maiklong Railway is sobrang init doon guys. So prepare yourselves na lang, especially if pupunta kayo doon. Siguro ano lang, mabilis lang talaga. Yan talaga yung parang ano ko sa Klook is medyo mabilis lang o parang minamadali bitaw. Yan yung parang once if nag-join in tour kayo, parang lahat is mabilisan lang talaga. Pero it was worth it naman kasi nakapunta rin kami sa ibang temple. Ayun. Siguro doon lang talaga sa parang cafe ng Amphawa is for me parang no need na siya napuntahan. And ayun lang. So thank you so much guys for joining with me. And in case you want to book same sa amin is I will just put the link on the description box below guys. So just check them if in case you are interested. By the way, na-book namin yan sa Klook. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!